Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics that often block saving. Check that your device has free space. Aim for at least 100 MB, because screenshots won't write without room. Then open Settings and grant the screenshot or System UI app permission to write to storage and media. This prevents silent failures. Once done, make sure the default save location is set to internal or the SD card you intend to use. These steps remove common permission and space blockers, so captures can be written. Next, you'll reset the services that handle captures, because background processes can hang and block saves. Open your app manager, find the System UI or Screenshot helper, force stop it, then reopen or trigger a new screenshot to restart the service. If you use a third-party screenshot app, clear cache or force stop that app too. Once you've done that, perform a quick reboot to fully clear locked file handles and background conflicts. This often fixes intermittent failures without deeper troubleshooting. For final steps, confirm the SD card is formatted correctly, use FAT32 or XFAT for wide compatibility, and that it's mounted. Try saving a screenshot explicitly to internal storage to determine whether the issue is SD-related. If internal saving works, move files and reformat the card after backing up. If problems persist, reset the screenshot app to defaults or uninstall and reinstall it. Doing so clears corrupted settings. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip: capture logs or use a file manager to watch write attempts and errors so you can pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.